Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you what to do if you do have your battery percentage not showing in your HONOR Magic8 Lite. So as you can see, I don't have this issue, but you may have. And to overcome it, the first thing that you need to check is to open the settings and wait a moment, I need to adjust the brightness level and go straight to the it was battery. Once you're in the battery, tap battery percentage. Now select either inside the out or outside. I think outside is better for reading, so if you have outside, you should see battery percentage here. If you don't, tap hide once again, tap battery percentage and outside once again. This should work for you. If it doesn't, exit settings, go to the Play Store, and as you can see, I'm not signed into your Google account, so I will do it and we'll go next. Once you are here, you need to tap search, and now you need to type AQ battery. Once you tap AQ battery and type it, you need to tap this application from Digibytes. Install. Here tap open and skip this tutorial. Finish. You should see your battery percentage here. If it doesn't work here, and if you see here many errors, like here something like, it doesn't work or something like that, health, you should see health here after, for example, a day. As last resort, open Play Store once again. Here, I'll open this here search bar and type battery widget and search. I'm using this battery widget reborn by Thomas Hubalek. Tap install here. I know that you may find better application, but as for the example, I can show you this. Open, start automatically, consent, add widget, battery widget, add. Now as you can see, our battery widget is here. And if you don't see your battery level still, you need to contact device support because your sensor may be just broken. Or as last resort, you can just try to restart your device. Goodbye!